This is a quick video about how to connect the auxiliary fuel supply on a Mercedes Sprinter. This is suitable for vehicles 2006 to 2018. So you'll need to remove the sender units to do this. The vehicles already have an auxiliary fuel port, however the hole in it is sealed, so you'll need to take the sender unit out, drill a hole and connect to this pipe. These are the parts you'll need to connect to your Mercedes Sprinter auxiliary fuel supply. There's one large rubber hose, the standpipe itself, which is approximately 19 centimeters. We recommend cutting this to your own needs. Some people like to have it further away from the bottom of the tank to avoid running out of fuel. A reducing section, 3 rubber hoses for the fuel line itself, an assortment of hose clips, and 1.5 meters of high quality fuel hose which you can connect to your fuel pump with. So first you'll need to prepare these sections. This goes into there, that onto there, and hose clips, it should look just like this. Then you'll need to prepare the standpipe itself. So the plastic hose pushes into there, the hose clip on each end. Assembled, it will look like this. Again, we recommend cutting this to your own length and checking the height of your tank to make sure it's exactly what you want. From factory, this hole is sealed. You'll need to use a 4mm drill to pierce through the plastic and allow you to extract fuel from the tank. You should be extremely careful when drilling this hole, as you may, with too much power, you may go right through and damage the sender unit. That's all it takes. Be sure to clean the area with a vacuum to avoid any debris getting into your fuel pump or into your auxiliary fuel supply. Once this hole's drilled, you'll need to connect the standpipe to the internal connection. So this is a standpipe you would have prepared earlier. I recommend just a little bit of lubricant, makes it a lot easier to get it on. So supporting the top of the sender, you need to push this on. It can be pretty stiff. Once the pipe is pushed on and the hose clip's connected, roll the sender unit over and you can see there's a groove here for the pipe to clip into. This allows the pipe to move freely as the sender unit compresses. Now you'll need your reducing section which we prepared earlier. So on a cold day, I'd recommend warming this pipe up a little bit as it can be quite firm, and just add a little bit of lubrication like WD-40. Make sure you've added the hose clip before you push the pipe onto the fitting. And then the hose clip slides on over that. And then once you've done all these up, you're ready to go. The sender unit's ready to be reinstalled now. Once the fuel pipes are connected, you can cable tie this pipe alongside the main fuel lines. You need to make sure that the standpipe moves freely inside the sender unit. I recommend rotating this hose clip and so it prevents it from fouling the fuel lines. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the link below and you can see the kit where we sell this.